Social media addiction is real and it's ruining lives. Did you know that the average person spends nearly 2.5 hours a day on social media? That's 38 days a year. Gone. But it gets worse. This constant engagement with our screens is not just a harmless habit, it's a growing epidemic that affects our mental and emotional well-being. Studies show that excessive social media use is linked to anxiety, depression, and loneliness. It's like a drug, feeding you instant gratification while stealing your time and mental health. The more you use it, the more you crave it, creating a vicious cycle that's hard to break. So, how do you break free? How do you reclaim your time and mental peace from the clutches of social media? First, acknowledge the problem. Admitting that you have an issue is the first step towards recovery. Recognize that those endless scrolls and likes aren't adding value to your life. They're just distractions. Second, set limits. Establish boundaries for your social media use. Use tools to monitor and control your screen time. Apps like Freedom or Moment can help you stay accountable. These apps can track your usage and even block access during certain times of the day. Set specific times to check your feeds and stick to them. Create a schedule that allows you to stay connected without being consumed. Third, replace bad habits with good ones. Find activities that bring you joy and fulfillment outside of the digital world. Pick up a book, start a hobby, or go for a walk. Engage in activities that enrich your mind and body. Remember, it's about creating a balance. Balance is key to a healthy relationship with technology. Next, curate your feed. Be mindful of the content you consume. Unfollow accounts that don't serve you. Follow those that inspire and educate. Make your social media experience a positive one. Surround yourself with content that uplifts and motivates you. Lastly, don't be afraid to disconnect. Embrace the power of being offline. Take regular digital detoxes. A day, a weekend, or even a week without social media can do wonders for your mental health. Use this time to reconnect with yourself and the world around you. Breaking free from social media addiction isn't easy, but it's worth it. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are immense. Imagine the life you could lead with those 38 days back. More time for friends, family, and personal growth. More time to pursue your passions and dreams. You have the power to reclaim your life. The power to live intentionally and mindfully. It's time to break the chains and live intentionally. Stay strong. Stay focused. Stay committed to your well-being. And remember, the best moments in life, they aren't captured on a screen. They're lived. They're felt deeply and cherished forever.